crown chakra, which is also referred as Sahasrara chakra, is located at the crown of the head and it is the supreme chakra among all chakras. The crown chakra symbol is depicted as a ring of 1,000 lotus petals surrounding an inverted triangle. Its corresponding color is purple. It is all about your connection to spirituality. The Sahasrara chakra is described in a few medieval Hatha yoga texts, including the Siva Samhita and the Tirumantiram, but not within the Pasimamnaya and Nath traditions. The Kubji Kamta Tantra describes only the 6 lower chakras. The scriptures vary in the position of the Sahasrara. The Shiva Samhita states that it is beyond the body, whereas others place it at the Brahmarandhara on the top of the head where the soul leaves the body at death. The Sahasrara is described as a lotus flower with 1,000 petals of different colors. These are arranged in 20 layers, each with approximately 50 petals. The pericarp is golden and within it a circular moon region is inscribed with a luminous triangle which can be either upward or downward pointing. Often referred as 1,000-petaled lotus, it is said to be the most subtle chakra in the system, relating to pure consciousness, and it is from this chakra that all the other chakras emanate. When a yogi is able to raise their kundalini, or energy of consciousness up to this point, the state of Nirvikalpa Samadhi is experienced. In some versions of the subtle body, there are actually several chakras, which are all closely related, at the top of the head. Rising from Ajna, we have the Manas chakra on the forehead, which is closely associated with Ajna. Above Manas there are Bindu Visarg at the back of the head, Mahanada, Nirvana, which is located on the crown, Guru, and the Sahasrara, which is located above the crown. In the Sahasrara chakra exists an important power, Medha Shakti. Medha Shakti is a hormone that influences brain functions such as memory, concentration, and intelligence. Yoga exercises can activate and strengthen Medha Shakti. The energy of all nadis unites in this center, like the waters of 1,000 rivers pouring into the sea. Here is the seat of Shiva, the Supreme Self. The awakening of the Sahasrara chakra means revelation of divine splendor and attainment of supreme consciousness. Just as night disappears with the rising of the sun, ignorance fades with the awakening of the Sahasrara chakra. This chakra represents the goal of yoga, self-realization and God realization, where the individual soul unites with cosmic consciousness. One who gains this is liberated from all karmas and achieves moksha, complete liberation from the cycle of rebirth and death. In meditation, the yogi reaches Nirvikalpa Samadhi, the highest level of samadhi, at the Sahasrara chakra, where the mind finally comes to complete stillness and finds fulfillment in the union of knowledge, the knower, and the object of knowledge.